electronic warfare. Training crash course. Electronic warfare training crash course sets up electronic warfare. Establishment intended for investigators, engineers, electrical specialists, venture administrators, electronic warfare specialized experts who outline or work radar frameworks and electronic warfare frameworks, and anybody engaged with arranging, plan, examination, recreation, prerequisites definition, execution determination, acquirement, test, security and assessment of electronic assault hardware. Who should attend electronic warfare training crash course? Technical personnel. Electronic warfare, radar system planning. Electrical engineers. Software engineers. System engineers. System analysts. Cybersecurity professionals. Verification and validation personnel. Project managers. Program managers. Learning objectives. Endless supply of electronic warfare training crash course. The participants can rundown premise of electronic warfare, ideas, engineering and procedures. Investigate the utilization of electronic warfare ideas to ground, airborne and maritime surface warfare. Depict the key ideas of electromagnetic field hypothesis. Portray prorogation models, correspondence catching sticking execution expectation. Delineate viewable pathway, LOS, two-beam, and blade edge diffraction spread models. Comprehend the fundamentals of radars and radar cross-segment. Portray and observation recipient framework configuration exchange off. Give cases of directed vitality weapons and stealth. Depict how pursuit and following radars work. Run down the useful and operational susceptibilities of weapon frameworks to electronic warfare. Comprehend electronic warfare systems engineering and system of systems engineering, SE, standards. Comprehend the application demonstrating, recreation and net-driven engineering to electronic warfare. Course agenda. What is electronic warfare? Electronic warfare principles. Overview of signals such as radio, infrared or radar. Electronic warfare architecture. Naval, ground airborne cyber RF electronic warfare. Infrared countermeasures. Workshop topics. Advanced RF electronic warfare design. Systems test evaluation. System integration. Analysis of threat radar systems. Advanced modeling and simulation. Software-defined radio, STR, applied. Millimeter signal measurements. Photonics a new application. Best practices. Learn more about overview of electronic warfare. Key concepts, principles of net-centric electronic warfare, principles of intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, applied new, key technology enablers of modern and emerging radar systems, electronic warfare functions, electronic warfare capabilities, etc. Learn more about electronic warfare. Training crash course.